Hey everyone, what's up? Today we're diving into the brand new Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. Samsung just dropped this budget-friendly 5G phone, and it's packing some solid upgrades. Stick around as I break it down into 10 clear points so you know exactly if it's worth your money. Point 1. Design and build. The Galaxy A27 5G looks clean and modern. It measures 162.4 by 78.2 by 7.8 millimeters and weighs just 200 grams, so it feels slim and comfortable in the hand. It features a glossy glass finish with a linear camera layout on the back. Available colors include black, blue, light green, and light pink. The switch to a punch-hole Infinity O display gives it a more premium, balanced look compared to older models. Point 2. Display. You get a bright 6.7-inch Super AMOLED FHD Plus screen with 1080 by 2340 resolution and up to 120 Hz refresh rate. Colors pop, scrolling feels smooth, and the reduced bezels plus punch-hole camera make the viewing experience more immersive for videos, social media, and everyday use. Point 3. Performance. Powering the phone is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset built on a 4nm process. It handles daily tasks, multitasking, and light gaming smoothly. You can choose between 6GB or 8GB of RAM paired with 128GB or 256GB of storage, and there's microSD support for expansion. It feels responsive without lagging on regular apps. Point 4. Software and updates. It launches with Android 16 and Samsung's One UI 8.5. The big highlight is Samsung's promise of up to 6 major OS upgrades plus 6 years of security updates. That means this phone should stay secure and feature-rich for a long time, excellent longevity in the budget segment. Point 5. AI features. Samsung includes awesome intelligence tools. You get useful features like Circle to Search, Object Eraser, voice transcription, and other AI helpers that make everyday tasks faster and smarter without needing a flagship price. Point 6. Camera setup. The rear triple camera system includes a 50 megapixels main sensor with OIS for sharper, more stable shots, a 5 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. The front camera is 12 megapixels. Daytime photos look good, OIS helps with low light and video stability, and it's solid for social media and casual photography. Point 7. Battery and charging. A large 5000 mAh battery powers the phone through a full day of mixed use with ease. It supports 25W wired charging, so you can top up reasonably quickly when needed. Point 8. Connectivity. Full 5G support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor keep everything modern and convenient. It's ready for fast networks and everyday wireless needs. Point 9. Price and value. In the US it starts at $349.99. Pricing varies by market, but it positions itself as a strong value option with a smooth display, capable processor, long software support, and solid battery life. It's aimed at students, first-time Galaxy users, and anyone wanting a reliable daily driver without overspending. Point 10. Who should buy it? The Galaxy A27 5G is a great pick if you want a smooth 120Hz AMOLED screen, multi-year software updates, decent cameras with OIS, and all-day battery in a slim package. It's not a gaming powerhouse or camera flagship, but for everyday performance, media consumption, and long-term reliability, it hits the sweet spot in the budget 5G range. That's the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G in 10 points. What do you think? Are you considering this phone, or are you looking at something else in this price range? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss new tech reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.